Now, when Skinner was first studying rats in his Skinner box, he actually made his own food pellets, and that was quite tedious. So he wondered what would happen if instead of reinforcing every lever press, he actually spaced out some of those reinforcers. And this is how he discovered an entire field of study of schedules of reinforcement. There are many different schedules, but the two we'll just discuss briefly here are ratio schedules and interval schedules. We have a ratio schedule, and I could have a fixed ratio 5, which means every fifth response is reinforced. We also have interval schedules. Those are time schedules. So I could have a fixed interval 30 seconds. That would mean that the first response that occurred after 30 seconds was reinforced. Skinner famously compared rats in his Skinner box to humans by looking at humans in casinos. On a variable ratio schedule, reinforcement occurs on a variable schedule, meaning perhaps after every 10 responses, after every 20 responses. This type of schedule engenders a lot of behavior. You can just go to Las Vegas and watch people at the slot machines pulling the levers. That's no different than rats pressing levers in their Skinner boxes. Skinner studied rats in Skinner boxes. The behavior first has to occur before it can be reinforced. We can use shaping, which is reinforcing successive approximations to the target behavior, and we can generate different types of behavior through schedules of reinforcement. Be sure to read the PDF in the instructor's notes on schedules of reinforcement. We're going to talk more about operant conditioning, however, this time with another animal, sea lions.